Hey guys, this is Irene and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous cut crease halo eye look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. First I'm going to use this ABH eyeshadow primer as my eyeshadow base. You guys can use any concealer if you want. Today I'm going to use this Bperfect x Stacey Carnival XL Pro palette. This is a very beautiful palette and this is one of my favorites. First I'm going to take this shade Reckless and I'm going to pack it on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm also going to pack it on the inner part of my eyelid. I'm also packing it onto the middle part of my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade Makeup and I'm going to put it right next to the first shade. And I'm not going to blend it, I'm just packing it in. Now I'm going to mix Reckless and Makeup. Now I'm just blending the harsh line in between the shades. I'm going to repeat this whole process until I get my desired color payoff. Now I'm softening the outer edges. I'm using very light brush strokes. The lighter your brush strokes are, the softer your blend will be. Taking the ABH eyeshadow base again, I'm going to put it on the base of my upper lash line and then look up. This trick helps me to determine where I should cut my crease. Now I'm just creating a rough shape for the cut crease as I've shown here. Next I neaten the cut, also pack the base on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm just blending the edges towards the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take the shade Temptation and I'm going to pack it on as shown here. Next I'm going to take this shade Pink Me and I'm going to pack it on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this silvery white glitter from Hang Feng. I'm going to pack it on the center as well. Finishing the look off with some glam falsies. And here's the finished look guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please like, share and comment. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are interested to see my future videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay safe. Bye!